All right, take a look at this. In Colorado, many people in the Denver area had a weekend with no power. A major snowstorm moved in last Tuesday and didn't wind down until this weekend. Some parts of the state saw 4 feet of snow. Colorado is expecting another storm tomorrow, but it doesn't appear to be bringing nearly as much snow as the last storm. And a group of high school students in Denver formed their own rescue patrol team to help storm response. The kids are now working with the local fire department side by side with professional firefighters and paramedics. The students perform all kinds of duties, including helping snowplow teams clear paths for medics who are trying to help someone in an emergency. High school student McKinley Way earned the rank of lieutenant on the rescue patrol team. She says she takes her responsibilities very seriously and wouldn't want to be anywhere else during a big storm.
We are a professional search and rescue team. A lot of us got a snow day today from our school, and that meant for us, for most people, that's staying at home watching movies, eating ice cream. For us, that meant getting up, getting outside, trying to get down to our headquarters so that we could run this call and make sure that it went well.
The students and their adult colleagues from the fire department first teamed up last March when a major storm hit the Denver area. They worked together again during another storm just last week. Brian Willey is with the fire department. He says he couldn't be more impressed by the dedication he sees from these young people.
They could be at home in the warmth as well, but they're out helping us and helping their community.
And most of the students say they stick to hot chocolate instead of the coffee the adults on the patrol team depend on to stay alert. Probably a good idea for them.